Since 1950, Alvin & Company has been the premier choice for drafting tools and supplies. For 68 years, we've provided excellent selection and services to universities, colleges, secondary and trade schools from all over North America, securing our name as the leading provider of drafting, drawing, and art kits. Because we are the leader in technical drawing and drafting tools, we offer the best selection and value of kits in our field. Along with our own brand, Alvin & Company is also one of the leading distributors of art supplies and materials in the country. We stock almost 20,000 unique items to choose from when having us build your art kit. We offer a large selection of pre-made kits. They're made up of our best-selling tools, hand-selected by professionals and teachers from the leading programs in education. These pre-made kits are available and in stock all the time. Custom kits are never a problem. We will help you craft a kit just for your class with the exact supplies and materials you need to teach with. We've designed custom kits A to Z. From architectural model building to zoo layouts, Alvin can build them all. Ready to get started today on your custom kit? We have a nationwide sales team that is available to help answer your questions and get you a quote. Our sales team, our kit builders, and our selection should make your choice easy. But I also wanted to mention that we have the most flexible program in the business for terms, returns, and custom shipping schedules. Please feel free to give us a call at 800-444-2584 for one of our sales team members, or email our kit specialist at kits@alvinco.com. Thanks for taking the time to learn about our kit business, and on behalf of everyone here at Alvin, we can't wait to build your kit.